So today I'll be showing you how to customize the controller functions on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. So once you've paired your controller to your iPhone, you can now customize those settings or functions from the settings of your iPhone. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So what you need to do is go to settings, and then under settings, go to general, tap on that. And then under general, you'll see game controller. Now, if you tap on that, you can actually see the Xbox wireless controller has already been detected. So what you need to do is have profiles. So you can have one single profile. So the default profile is going to be there. And then you can see and customize what the controller does. You can even adjust the haptic feedback. You can even turn off haptic feedback. You can make it strong or weak. You can change what the X button does, what the B button does. This is where you basically control everything. And you can even control what double press on the share button does and what pressing and holding does. You can see, for instance, by default, it takes a screenshot. So if you double press that, it takes a screenshot. So that is basically how you can customize this stuff. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.